Look guys, it's an NSX. It looks so nice. So what are we doing?
We're looking for some seats for Ricky's car. It's hot as hell. Oh yeah.
Can't see anything. Probably bought it, somebody. A little Datsun truck. This is a 22R? Dude, this is the 22R. That's crazy. I'd take this. Another Benz? Bro. Camaros. MG. Dude, this thing. Oh my god, we can put an S2000 engine in this thing.
Bro.
It's basically an S2000. Dude, this thing is sick. Dude, look at the door fucking... Look at the door handles, how you open this thing. Dude, this thing is fucking sick.
Oh, here we go.
There's a Impreza here.
Wow. Oh no.
This thing is all stripped out.
Wait. Oh yeah, they took the diff.
Diff and tranny, the engine's probably gone. The whole drivetrain's probably gone.
I'm surprised the dash is not gone.
Yeah.
Never mind, this is a real winner right here.
What you got for us?
I found this and I don't know what it is.
It's like a fuse?
It's like, it has a little air filter thingy. It like sucks in air. But it's got like, I don't know what it is. You know?
Oh, it's probably like a filter.
Oh yeah, we also found the seats.
Is that the one that Ricky wants?
That's the one that Ricky wants.
Dude, this is the car that I want. This is a seat. CB9. Dude,
How's that hatch, huh?
bro, look, let me tell you guys. You guys want to make some money on eBay? You see this thing?
Give us the rundown.
See this thing right
The
here?
cover?
This cover right here.
How much is that worth, boss?
I paid like $350 for that.
Holy shit!
At one point.
It's a wagon too, huh? So
They're kind of rare.
yeah. So
You
like,
gotta have...
all right, let's get to work. Taking the seats off. Here we got the passenger.
It's like
And
brand
we
new.
got the driver's side. Let's see a little bit of detailing. It'd be good.
A little bit of the elbow grease
Yeah.
that you have been using to clean your wheels.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, heading out. Got the prize. Got Dan working. It's hot as hell. So we're gonna head back to the shop and work on my car.
14.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so hot. We're like hallucinating. Like, where's the oasis? We've been out here for days. I don't know what row we're in. Walking in circles, we keep seeing civics. It's horrible.
Yeah. Go.
Oh yeah, I have to wait. Okay, so pretty much it's worth it paying like $90
As opposed to 150 for one
for
fucking
each seat.
seat.
So
It's not bad. It's
It's
still
not
clean. There's
bad.
no ribs. Just a little bit dirty on.
it's just dirty. The foam is good. Like, you know, like this is perfect.
Nothing seems clean and won't fix.
Yeah, that's true.
Plus I'm gonna, you know, replace
Yeah, look at this. Got the fucking armrest.
Yeah!
yeah.
The main thing
Hey,
I
you
was
think it'll work?
Hell yeah. I made it work on other cars.
All right, Dana. We trust you on this one.
Bro, he's gonna love these seats. I mean,
Oh, I
everybody
can't
loves
wait.
the seats inside that he took out of the CB7. So.
Is
Like,
that the CB9?
I feel like, yeah, so I feel like we're just gonna have to keep buying more CB7, CB9 seats,
making fucking...
making like
Seats out
couches
of
and
them?
shit. Like,
Yeah.
Hey, $90 as opposed to fucking $200 couch?
Yeah, hell no. We'll just stack a bunch of these side to side. Super comf. Everybody has their armrest. It's like at the movies.
You want to lay back, just put it back, put the seat back.
What are we doing today, boss?
We are getting a hairdo. We're gonna do the turbo install on this thing. We're gonna do the lower control arms.
I wish, but yeah, today we're gonna do my ball joints. Yeah, so I got a good deal. Now I could have got away with just rolling my fenders, but I'm gonna get them later anyway. So like, why not just pick it up and do them and get them and do them? Yeah. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't take us too long. I think maybe less than an hour, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah.
Hey, can I see it?
Yeah.
Oh, you turned it off.
Oh, do I turn it off?
Oh, no, I can't see it. Oh, it's recording.
Yeah. Just screen.
That's okay with that.
Camera adjustable.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to lubricate it, moisturize it.
Yeah.
All right.
Like I said,
What else are we doing? We're gonna fix that weird sound.
My test pipe,
Oh, I'm down
because
for
I think
that.
my cat's sleeping, so, and hopefully that solves the issue. Might just be a gasket, but we'll see. Once we do that with it. But yeah.
Let's get to
We'll
work.
Get to work. First step, just take out the ABS line, the sensor line, 10 millimeter. Should be 2 bolts holding the control arm. Yeah, just make sure you don't break the bolts.
Yeah, just make sure you don't give it that extra ugga chugga. While you're turning it the wrong way. So yeah, you wanna support the front and the rear of the vehicle. And then once you remove the tire and the wheel assembly, you gotta take the nut off from the upper ball joint. So right where he's taking off that bolt, right next to is the ball joint. So on the bolt on the ball joint, you gotta remove the cotter pin. Not that hard, but once you get it straight on there, and you're able to press it out.
Just getting the bottom plate to align.
Yeah.
It's not.
Yeah. So the when you position the slide plate on the underside of the arm, you gotta align the slot on the slide plate so it points directly towards the tire.
Yeah.
So you press in the arm using the ball joint press.
All right, so we got the 2 bolts off and it's holding the caliper in. Pull the e-brake off. Here we go. There's the caliper. Yeah, just put it on the side. I'm gonna get like a little wire to hang it. Don't wanna just leave it hanging. Right, yeah, so this is the ball joint separator. Basically you put it in between and it kind of pushes the ball joint out from the knuckle and stuff. Very easy. You just insert it in between the ball joint and the knuckle. Make sure it goes in. Once it's in, I'll just tighten this up. Yep, and then let's see this.
3/4 inch.
3/4 inch, yeah, put that there. There we go.
Bro, that should look crazy.
Yeah, that shit's low. Yeah, it's there we go.
Yeah, that should look crazy.
Like a,
So the thing is, as soon as this pops out, like
the knuckle, yeah.
yeah, everything just gets
just-
loose.
yeah.
It just gets wonky.
Yeah.
So the next thing is just remove this whole thing.
Yeah.
This Miata
yeah.
part. I don't know the Mazda.
Yeah,
Part
we figured
number.
it'd be easier to take out the arms and just kind of like fiddle with it because there's not a lot of room to fucking the fender well. So we figured it'd just be easier to take out the 2 bolts and take out the arms and take it to the workbench and just kind of press it out there. It'd be easier and give us more room to work with. But yeah. On this side, we can't really get to because the airbag is in the way.
It's too girthy.
Yeah. I'm not sure if you have coilovers or anything, I'm not sure if it's gonna fit, but for mine, we figured that if I air out, this thingy will shrink a lot. So
It'll get skinny.
yeah, I'll make room for the ratchet and everything to go behind it. But yeah, you guys see. Yeah, so we got the arms off, taking off the old ball joints. This damn alarm to go sleep.
Ah, shit. It's my bedtime.
But yeah.
She ain't playing. Time to go to sleep.
Maybe less than an hour, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, taking off the old ball joints, take out the retainer pins. I mean,
The clips?
yeah, clips. Thingy.
Whatever this is, look, you don't have to be a mechanic and know the name of everything. As long as you know how to take it back off and put it back on, like, just, you know, reverse order, just remember, and if you can't remember, just YouTube it. Like, it's not that hard to be, like, wrenching on cars.
All right, so here's the press. To be honest, this is our first time using it, so we don't know how it works.
I mean, if it works, right?
Yeah, we pressed the other one out earlier. We'll see.
I like this one.
I think you're supposed to put a plate on it.
Yeah, I think so too, but like,
hey, it works for us.
this is like, I feel like we're missing something. Oh, there he goes. You can see it right
Yeah,
there.
you see it like slowly popping off. There it goes. 3, 2, and last one right here. All right, so here's the control arms. Here's the bottom piece that we're supposed to go to the bottom. Press it in. So basically, this piece go under the control arms. This thingy goes in on top, and these are the top piece and the little washer and the bracket to lock it in place and stuff. But yeah, you guys see how it works.
You gotta press this one in.
Yeah. All right, so here's a little plate that we're supposed to press in. As you can see, basically we turn the ratchet and this little I guess act like a piston, and it pushes down this little plate. And then right here, the control arms, you can see it gets sandwiched in between this little metal thingy. And then here's a little slider plate for the ball joints. All right, so here's the ball joint. Then put on the sliding plate. Yeah, make sure it goes right there, line up. And then the washer, and this is the locking nut right there. Nice and easy. Oh, the light. Sorry about that. There you go. Basically, it locks in place.
Dude, this one's not that hard to move.
Yeah, and then everything is just reverse order. Control arms, bolt those up, cut the brackets, and yeah.
Success.
Got done. Put on the last bolt, and then show you guys how it looks.
Yep. And it only took us 30 minutes. It's like dark.
We fucked up.
It's like dark as shit outside.
You know how it goes.
Well, that's it, right? Like, just
That's it. Last bolt right here. Then
last
put on
bolt.
tires. Maybe pick up the tools.
perfect. Moment of truth. Will both sides match with our eyeball?
Straight up eyeball.
Yeah, with the eyeball camber adjustment.